In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a Go Back button in Card. First, log in to Card. Next, click the plus button to add an element. Choose Button from the list of available elements. Move and position the button where you want it to appear on your page by dragging it. Label the button as Go Back, or any other label you prefer. Customize the button's appearance by selecting from options like Icon plus Label or Label plus Icon, and adjust the color or background to suit your design. Since Card doesn't support advanced JavaScript for full browser navigation, you can manually link the button to a previous page or section within the site. You can set the button to link to a previous section or another page by choosing the URL or section in the button settings and linking it appropriately. To organize the Go Back button within the layout, click plus and choose Container. Set the container to columns under its appearance settings, which allows you to manage where elements are placed. Drag your Go Back button inside the container for better positioning.